like a Hellcat.
This was a win I got the other day but forgot to record. How did he do that? He hovered. He's coming for me. He wants me dead. Oh, he's such a bot. So much loot. But it is solid gold. Oh, it's like a whole squad. What are they doing? Clean shot. Pew! Oh, let's go. She's dead. They didn't even know where it's coming from. Oh, the galaxy skin's having none of it. They cocooned themselves in. Oh, galaxy. How did that miss? Okay, ready, this is a 500 IQ play. Head at the right window, peek at the left, bang, dead. I think they've rested the other one. Oh no, yep, that's the rocks. The rocks is back. Ah. We must be resing. Oh no, there's the default. Where's the galaxy skin? Come on, reload. Oh, there's the galaxy skin. You can see that glow anywhere.
It's free real estate.
He took the bullet like a man. Oh, there's people here. Don't never stand still. That's one. He just got tagged. They're so confused. Oh, they locked me out. Stop building. Come on, just peek me.
Why you bullying me?
He's so bad. That was like miles to my right. Oh no, my cover's gone. Oh no, no, no. My meme pad. I need to escape. There we go. Oh yes, this is perfect. They can't see me here. Is that a meme pad up there? I need to rotate. So next. Oh.
Drop kick.
Don't mind me just building a quick base. Oh, I can hear someone. Such a bot. Ow! Where'd that come from? I need to get the meds from this drop, but there's someone above me. Ow, where'd that come from? Come on, come on. Yes, big bot. Let's go. Where is he? I need to get back to my baller quick. Go, go, go. There's still 5 people left. Hopefully they do not
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Oh my god, he was right there.
Run.
No, not the storm. That was such a good rotation, but I want 8 HP. No? Come on, quick. Quick. Get that down. Let's go. Snap. No. 10 HP. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I need to go to the eye as well. Oh wait, I can block him out. Yeet. How'd you like this? Quickly go. Oh no, he got out. Oh yes. Let's go.
Wow!
Okay, let me just flex my 90s on these kids. Yeet. Alright, this is fridge meta. Need to land at this exact house in Salty Springs and make sure there's people landing with you. Oh, there's no one here. Well, fridge meta originated in Tilted Towers, but obviously Tilted Towers got like blown up, so the fridge was destroyed. But now we found a new fridge. Step 1, go to the basement. Whack this floor. There should be a chest in here. Open that, get the gun. Get back up. Smack these boxes here. Loot up the rest of the basement. The next step is to draw some attention to yourself. Try find people. Okay, I remember I think someone landed here. Can't see him. Oh yeah, so he's coming. Then you need to edit this so it looks like you've come down here. And position yourself behind the fridge. And simply wait. Alright, game 2, Close Encounters Solo Squads. Let's see if I can bait a whole squad. Okay, oh, someone's coming. Oh, it's a noob.
That's a lot of damage.
TTV, by the way.
Let's go, he had no idea I was here. His teammate's gonna come now though. As you can see, I knocked this teammate, but I wasn't recording. That's the third one. I wonder how the last one is. Is it still the same game, by the way? No, the fridge is damaged.
Help me.
The fridge is weak. I must have hit it. Oh no, I just hit it by accident. Oh, so. Finish his teammate. It's the final one, he's coming. It's a wild default. We're on the tracks of a wild default here. He's got a grappler, he could do some serious damage with that. He's gone into the next room. Now this is very dangerous. We must approach with caution.
But I cannot see, I'm legally blind.